Guys, it's your own boy, the one-eyed Great Dane, back with day 483 Star Drop opening. So let's see what we have.
Rare.
Starting with a rare 25-second Star Drop, we have
Super rare.
Super Rare of 50 power points. And for the third Star Drop,
Rare.
a rare 50 coins. Not too shabby. In the event selection, we have Volley Brawl Pancake and Zombie Plunder Daylight Robbery. Again, considering the end of the season is coming up, I'd get in on these two modes as much as you can, because I imagine they'll be going away once the true season ends, which again should be tomorrow. And we also have Knockout 5v5 Crispy Crypt. Again, nothing too special really going on besides those cycling modes, but again, with tomorrow being the end of the season, do expect again, what I like to call the Mega Star Drop opening, where I open all the Star Drops I have, and looks like it's gonna be quite a lot here. Be at least 25, plus 44, plus 17. And I was gonna try to get the one at the end of the trophy road, as well as a higher tier trophy box, but with the amount of things I have to do, it looks like I'm just gonna have to settle for trophy box, I guess you'd say level 2 here, with 100 chroma trophies, or at least that's what I'm gonna call them, chroma trophies. Again, do let me know how you guys are progressing with your trophy box levels. Again, I think it's completely doable to get the highest level trophy box here at 3,000. Because again, you literally just need to get all your brawlers to 1040, and that's not incredibly difficult with the change to the trophy system that they just made. So again, if you guys do have the time, I think it's something you might want to consider, even if you're a pretty average player. If we hop on over to the shop though, we still have the Juju Value Pack again till the end of the season, and Putrid Pam. And then we just have, again, all of those hypercharges they shoved into the shop. They're even gonna remain after the start of the next season, it looks like. If you guys can't get them right now, you might still have time if you really want to. Is it just me, or does the stew pin look a little strange, for lack of better words? I think that's a glitch there. The helmet doesn't have the design quite right there. Maybe it's supposed to be that way, I don't know. 8-bits is pretty cool. Daryl's is pretty alright. Again, finger guns. I think Colt does it better though. We have Penny's something going on there. Why is one of her pieces of hair black? It looks like I think she's grabbing a piece of bling or something. She's tossing something and catching it in her hand. It looks to be a little bling coin, if I'm not mistaken. And Ruff's looks like pretty much all the standard ones. And Otis just shaking a bottle, I guess. I'm not really sure what. I guess it's because he doesn't have hands. They had to give him something, right? But again, we have the value offers here. I just don't care too much to be buying those. But I do have daily preview of 5 credits, as well as 60 XP doubles. Again, let me know what you guys are thinking of the hypercharges in the shop right now. But other than that, not too much going on. So as of today, I have 2,126 XP doublers and 100,176 power points. So yeah, not too much going on, but the end of the season is tomorrow, so make sure to get as high in your trophy box levels as you can, I suppose, or just complete the Brawl Pass if you haven't done that yet. But other than that, let's see how far I can take this, guys.